Hello guys, today we'll be chugging Liquid Death Mango Chainsaw. I love these names. I can't lie. I love these names. So let's chug it here today. Let's listen to the crackle. Sniff test. Mango. Oh, Liquid Death. Liquid Death. You already know Liquid Death is a really good sparkling water. Oh boys, Liquid Death. I'm going to murder my first. 3, 2, 1. I just murdered my first, guys. Hopefully you like that chug. It's not that bad. Mango. I did prefer berry alive. I liked it. Well, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Go to the description below to join my Discord. Sorry. I'm gonna do the most common. Peace out!